Oh, oh, there's a fish. That's a good fish, guys. Oh, he's coming at me, he's coming at me. There he goes. That's enough of that. All right, good morning, everybody. How we doing today? Launching out of Pine Island today, looking for tarpon. I keep hearing rumors that they're out here. We're gonna check. I haven't found them anywhere else, at least in the Pine Island, Matlacha area. As far as in the kayak, in the pass, nothing yet. So today we're out here searching. I've heard there's big ones out here. Big ones, we're talking 100-pounders and above. That's the rumor. So I have one ready over here for them. I got the NLBN, this guy right here. Where is he? This is the artificial for the tarpon, that big NLBN. I got my pen. Which one's this one? I think this is the 5500, 4500. Spin Fisher 4500, 20-pound braid, 60-pound leader on that, and that's what I think I'm gonna use for my other setup, which will be a live bait in case I get a ladyfish. I'll start trolling that, but I gotta get that ready. I wasn't quite ready for that, but that's it. That's the plan today. If I can't find any tarpon, I'll give it probably like till maybe 8-9 o'clock. We'll see how the conditions. Then I'll push towards one of the islands and see if I can find. I found a big school of reds a week ago out here, so we're gonna see if they're still around. So that's it. See you guys later. Nice trout here, guys. Big trout here, guys. That guy is a monster. Did he swallow that? Are you kidding me? Big guy. So yeah, he's bleeding. So this might stop. This might be a cut. Yeah, he did. He did swallow it, guys. That sucks. Such a big trout. But it's way down his belly. Nice good trout. Still swim off. Hopefully he can get rid of that. This is a vulture here, and there's a bald eagle up there. So last time I was out here, when all that muck was there, I noticed they were literally right on the edge of that muck. Like, even closer than that. I need to get a little tighter. Oh, oh, there's a fish. That's a good fish, guys. Oh, came off. Shit. He came off, guys. No, he didn't. But this thing got messed up. Shit. Oh my God, guys. What happened here? Now he came off. That was a good fish, guys. Man, that was a good fish. I don't know what that was. Alright guys, I've analyzed what I did wrong. I should have sat down, turned the engine off, and turned the boat towards him. The motor was still going the opposite way, so I was even making more distance between me and that fish. And then when I finally got my hands down to try to turn the prop off on the motor, that's when the line came over. It came over this side of the spool and under here. So I was trying to untie it. I could still feel them on there for a second or two while I was still trying to mess with that, but then eventually it just popped off. So messed that up real good. Messed that one up real good. Felt like a damn tarpon just running. I don't know, man. Strong. I couldn't stop the slammer. There we go. What is that? Ladyfish. Take her for bait. The instant poop. And it spit the hook. And then I just chopped their head off right away. That's it. Off with their heads. There he is. There he is. There's something. I was recording. It is a nice little red. Probably lower slot if he makes it there. No, not there yet. 17 and a half. There we go. What is that? That's a trout. Oh, Snook. His head on the kayak. Okay. Wise Guys tackle. New penny. Feels like a jack. Trout. Little trout. Alright, now approaching the end of this island. So this whole island was productive. The first one was where I lost whatever that was. Something good that I could not stop. I already figured out all the mistakes I made there. Oh, good Lord. Ladyfish. I wish there was carping around. Start trolling with this thing, then all I'm gonna catch is a shark around here right now. Already got a ladyfish for bait. She destroyed that paddle tail. Goes in the trash can behind me. Ugh. Okay. Look at that guy. A little smaller dude. New penny again. Ooh, he's been eating. I can smell him. And he's grunting away. Right here, just approaching this island. I'm heading towards the backcountry, but stopping at islands on the way. And that one paid off. Just stopping in this corner, really. Thought I was recording the whole time, but I wasn't. Little Snooky. Proving a little tougher than it should be on this current. When he runs that way, he's got the current with him. Oh, I don't like it. He's got the line right over his gill plate. Come here. It gets cut. Ah. Stop. Oh my God. There we go. Snooky. There it goes. Alright, I got a chunk of ladyfish out in the back right now. See what happens to her. Hopefully something awesome. I'm gonna take this out. Put my snacks in here. This is trash. Oh no. Damn treble hook. So I never put this one behind me. I'm gonna put this one way the hell over here. Away from me. There you go. Alright. Snook. Oh, he's coming at me. He's coming at me. There he goes. That's enough of that. Woodpecker doing work back there. This is on the Real Animals bull bait rod. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He's heading towards the other one. Yeah, a little better than the last one, maybe. Only 20-pound leader on there, guys. Just hooked very well. Right on the corner of the mouth. Oh, such a gentle eat. Look at that guy. Another nice one. Okay, buddy. You ready to go? You ready? You ready to go? There you go. He splashed me. He splashed me. Alright, I moved the cut ladyfish to this left side. Let's see if I get any action over here. Alright, we're gonna call it a day now. Heading back in. Slam complete. Not the goal today. The goal was to find tarpon. I mean, I got 2 rods set up for them. One live bait, one artificial. But I didn't see them this morning, and I didn't see anybody else hooked up to a tarpon either this morning, at least in the area I was checking. I kind of, yeah, nothing. So, and then I pushed to the backcountry to see if I could find them. Found snook back there and ladyfish. No reds and no signs of little juvenile tarpon anywhere. So still in the great search for tarpon, for me at least. I have not hooked into one this year. Again, I've seen 3 and that's it. I know they're in the canals, but the ones that are in the canal, it's almost impossible to land one in there because of so much structure. You got so many docks, and the tarpon that are in there are not little. You know, it's not the juveniles going in there, it's the big ones. So yep, gotta wait till they come out here. At least for me. I still you know, so if you're interested in a kayak charter with us, give us a call or a text at 941-999-1365, or you can go on our website at jupiterskayakfishing.com. check out all the information, the prices there, the different adventures we offer. And that's it, guys. So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a comment. If you do have questions about any of the tackle I use, feel free. A lot of the times I'll put out that information in my videos, and sometimes I don't. So if you catch it, you catch it. If not, send us a message. I'm pretty good at answering back so far. So thanks again for watching, and see you guys soon.